Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the room categories, breaking down the suites, and talking about whether or not Inspira is worth it for your next getaway.
Something to notate here is that the rooms are literally award-winning. The Rooftop Suite has won the Best Rooftop Suite award. We also have the standard rooms. They won awards too. The rooms here are actually one of my favorite in this particular area. I love them. They're spacious and comfy. 24/7 room service, beautiful beds, of course, all the amenities that you like in a room. We're going to see the lowest room category, and then we're going to check out the Inspira categories.
When it comes to the Inspira rooms, the thing to notate is that the base category of the Inspira room looks exactly the same as the junior suites. The difference is the amenities outside and the amenities that you get while staying here. So with the Inspira category, you'll have access to additional areas. You'll have an upgraded check-in experience. You'll be able to check in guaranteed earlier. You can also be able to benefit from certain discounts, such as discounts on the golf, discounts on the spa, including discounts on Maria Dolores. And if you stay 7 nights or longer, you get a complimentary dinner at Maria Dolores. You also get 2 rounds of golf on the golf course here. If you're wondering whether or not the Inspira is worth the upgrade, I say yes, especially if you're looking for a VIP experience. Some of the inclusions with the Inspira category is going to be personalizing your minibar and personalizing your beverage station in general. Did I mention the Inspira categories also come with a butler? So you'll be able to have a butler that will reach out to you 3 days before your arrival to get your dinner reservations and all of those things. So if you are looking to reserve ahead of time, highly consider the Inspira category. We're in the Oceanfront category. I love this room because the plunge pool is actually covered a bit by shade versus the rooftop suite. If you're looking for something that's very exclusive, very luxury, consider the master suite and the rooftop suite. We are off to see the rooftop suite. I'll be honest, rooftop suite is a little bit hot, too warm for my liking. I wouldn't see myself personally using the pool up here. I could definitely see an amazing view, see why people would like it. I do like that this one in the bathroom, they have a bathroom tray and bathtub amenities. That was something I didn't see in the other Inspira categories. We are heading to see the master suite now. This one is one of my favorite rooms. I think it's a great option for brides. I think it's a great option for people who are traveling with large groups. You want to potentially be able to use it as like private room space. Keep in mind that it looks very large and luscious and spacious. Only 2 adults for this one. The max occupancy for this particular room is only 2 adults. The rest of the room categories are 3 adults. So keep that in mind when you're planning your trip to Atelier. I really want you guys to see this bathroom because this is a proper bathroom. This one, my favorite bathroom in all of the Riviera Maya, has to be. Now, if you got to the very end of this and you don't know which room is right for you, that's where I can come into play. As a travel advisor, I'm able to assist with all of your bookings as well as guide you on which room you should actually stay in. Your reservation will also include some perks and benefits, including a complimentary room upgrade. I can also assist with early check-in, late checkout, and even some resort credit to use at that world-class spa. Make sure to check out the other videos that I have on this particular resort, and thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, definitely be sure to drop a like. If you like more content like this, what are we doing? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell too, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload. I hope that you guys have a lovely day, and thanks so much for watching.